to recover yourself in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover yourself and gain different HP. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this recovery button. Simply tap on recovery. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, my HP is getting increased. So you can use this button when you are in a situation where you have low HP and you are about to die. So this will give you a bar of health and help you to sustain the game. So you can use it wisely, and it has a cooldown too. So use it very wisely because it will take some time again in order to use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.